continuing our topic of what your parents should have taught you about finances, about money, and about your financial literacy. So number 6 is going to be consider savings as a bill. What does that mean? I've talked about in my previous videos about savings for a purpose, making your savings automatic. So if you're saving for a car, you're saving for a vacation, you're saving for a house, you're saving for anything specific, you want to make sure you have your purpose savings. Set up a separate savings account for that specific thing and automatically put that savings into your budget. So it automatically takes it out when your paycheck, set it up so it automatically takes it out. So it's gone, it's there, it's in that account. It's just like when you have your first job, you want to make sure that you are saving for your retirement. You know, the retirement money comes out automatically before you get your check for your take home. Certain things come out automatically. And believe it or not, when things come out automatically, we learn to live with what comes home. It's possible to do that. If you're paying attention, painting your number picture and re-evaluating your number picture to understand your bad money habits so you can combat them with good money habits and smart money habits, then you're going to be able to live within your means. Like I always say, God has given us enough in this situation. I am a numbers person, I'm an accountant, and you would think that I would have an amount for enough. Well, I don't have an amount for enough in any given time in my life. In the 48 years I've lived. When I made $8 an hour, it was enough. When I made $80 an hour, it was enough. When I make $180 an hour, it was enough. So you have to find ways to understand what you have and how to live within that means, and it continues, and it'll continue to build, it'll continue to you'll continue to live, you'll continue to build your wealth, you'll continue to do everything that you need to do within your life. Number 7 would be there's food at home. This is a point I make to my 2 boys and my husband at least once a week. They don't think there's anything in the refrigerator. They stand up in front of the refrigerator and apparently there's nothing in the refrigerator, yet the refrigerator is full. So before you think about going out and buying food, I'm not saying that you shouldn't treat yourself once in a while or you want something fresh once in a while, but do not make it a habit to be buying food, Uber Eats, DoorDash, all the different things. I mean, I have checked that out. When COVID was going on, I actually ordered a lot from them. We actually ordered a lot there because we wanted to support our restaurants and our society out there. It took my older son to actually give me a big wow factor when I was asking him when he was at college, when he's in college, like, are you eating enough? I don't see that you're really buying anything out. We always, pack up his Trader Joe's because he doesn't have a Trader Joe's next to him. So we send him a whole bunch of food when he's going back up. And I'm like, I don't see you're spending money, and I don't see you using this app or using that. He's like, Mom, they charge too much. I'm going to go get my food. I'm not doing that. And I'm like, oh, okay. Wow. I need to look at what they charge. Then I start looking at the menus and actually, yes, they're charging a lot. So cook your meals once in a while. Make it an event at home and cook your meals once in a while. It is not that hard to cook stuff at home and look at it at home. And it's so easy. I could do dinner in less than half an hour. So I'm sure you can do dinner in less than half an hour. That's a money saver. It indicates that, you should probably, they're charging fees now for Uber Eats and all these different things. So